So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube notification system in Discord.js version 14. In this system, you can set your YouTube channel, custom message, custom channel, or whenever a video is uploaded to our channel, you will get a notification while on your Discord.
Before starting, I want to tell you that this is our Patreon, or you will get the source code of our videos here, or you can also access the source code of our entire series from here. If you want to support us, then the link is in the description and you can become our member from there. And you can also join our Discord server where every type of developers are there, and you can talk here. If you have any issues, you can always share, so join quickly, or let's meet this community. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe or complete our milestone as soon as possible.
Alright, first of all you have to open the folder of your bot, and if you want this package then you can join our Discord and get it from there. And in this system we also have to use a database, so if you have not seen my Mongod video then watch it. After that you have to go to src schema and create a file here which will be named youtubeschema.js. And then here we have to start writing the code. First of all let's define mongoose. After that we have to give all the options here in the way we want to save our data in the database. Const YouTube notification equals new mongoose schema. Guild ID. Type, string, required, true. Channel ID. Type, string, required, true. YT channel ID. Type, string, required, true. Message. Type, string, required, false. Last checked. Type, date, required, true. Vid checked. Type. ID. Type, string, required, true. Date pub. Type, date, required, true. Required, false. Module.exports equals mongoose.model, notification, YouTube notification. After that go to src commands and create a new folder YouTube, and then create a file YouTube setup.js under YouTube folder. And now here we have to write our code which will set our YouTube channel custom message and custom channel, so follow me. We have first defined what we need here. After that we have imported the file from our schema folder as a variable so that we can use it. After that we have to define one more thing before using it on parser. You have to install this package to make sure before running the bot. Run npm install RSS parser in the terminal. Now here we start writing our command, or by creating a new /command builder we are registering a new /command, or here we set the name of our command description, or set some options. Alright, both of these have been done. Now we have to start writing the logic of our command from here, in which we have to define some variables and save the data given by the user in them. After that we have to create a variable to get the data from our database, or save it in this variable, or put an if condition that if there is no data in the database then its meaning is that because no system is set up yet to return our message. After that we have to fetch all the details of the channel which the user has given the channel ID, for that you will have to add this URL. So now we have to create a new entry here and save it in the database with all the details. We write this logic here that if the user has set the channel as there is no video in channel, then this condition does not run, or if the videos on channel are, so we save the latest video publish date in database. After that we have to return the message set up successfully. You can modify it in your own way. After that create a new file YouTube remove.js under YouTube folder. Now we have to write a code for YouTube remove command. Here we do not have to write anything special, we have to define what we need in the file, or after that by registering a new /command, we have to store its details or options by creating a variable in the database or so. An if condition is run if there is no data in the database. If not, then the message is returned, or if there is, then the data is deleted from the database or the message is successfully sent to the user. After that we have to create a function which will check whether the video is new uploaded or not. For that we have to go to src functions or create a file here. In this file, we have to define some things, or here we have to write the logic which will check which is the latest video and what is its publish date, or if the new video will be uploaded, then we will see which is the old video and its publish date. If old video publish date is greater than latest video, so that means new video uploaded. After that if condition is run and our bot send notification in Discord channel. When it will complete, after that we have to go to eventsready.js file, or here we have to set interval or call that function here or set it here. I have set it to 7000. It means every 7 seconds this function will run or will check whether the video has been uploaded. After that we have to open the terminal and first of all we install this package. After that we have to run our bot. As you can see, it is working well. One thing to keep in mind is that after the video is uploaded, it may take 15 to 20 minutes to send the notification.